Here at the Cherry Hill Imports Auto Group, we're committed to providing you with a truly seamless service experience at each one of our dealerships. Whether you drive an Audi, Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, a Land Rover, or a Jaguar, the service centers of Cherry Hill Imports Auto Group in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, near Philadelphia, are always prepared to help. And you can easily schedule your service appointment online with us. Our online scheduler allows you to schedule and manage your service reservation, all with just a few clicks. Our service coordinators are also standing by should you prefer to schedule your service appointment with us over the phone. And when you do visit one of our service centers, our highly qualified technicians and ASE certified mechanics will inspect, repair, or replace parts of your vehicle to bring it back to peak conditions. And our service staff takes the time to answer your questions and discuss any issues of note with your vehicle. From oil changes to transmission and engine repairs, we offer an array of maintenance and repair services. There are comfortable waiting areas for you with refreshments, Wi-Fi, and live TV as your vehicle is being serviced. Or we'd be happy to get you a loaner vehicle, a ride, or a shuttle service to where you need to go. And so we look forward to providing you with our very best service here at the Cherry Hill Imports Auto Group, where we're driven by you.